Pretty cookie cutter neighborhood. A lot of semi-detached houses. Off the top, I see we gotta do our normal concrete. Touch the concrete. Get rid of this indoor-outdoor carpet.
Oh wow.
Save the rails. Just repaint them. Let's see. Got a lockbox. Anybody lockbox? Nope. Oh boy, here we go.
Now this is the fun part. We try to find the lockbox. A lot of times agents put them all around. Is there a lockbox down here? Nope.
Gotta go around back.
Alright, let's go around back.
By the way. But for these, you definitely get rid of these. You know, back in the day, probably like a little chain that went through it. But now we can get rid of it. Out here, new windows, repaint the whole foundation, fresh white or gray, depending on whatever color we paint the front for.
How about this gate?
Knock it down.
Think so?
Yeah.
Would you put up a new gate or?
Honestly, it's not necessary.
Okay. Somewhat clean alley.
Yeah.
Drivable.
Parking.
Oh, okay. It's a nice little parking pad for the city.
There we go.
All right. So there's no lockbox, but the back door is open. Make sure no one's here.
Now we start from the back this time.
Alright.
So, kitchen. Of course, we're gonna knock this down because it used to be a kitchen and a breakfast area. So we knock down this archway and open the whole thing up. And imagine how nice it would be when we knock down these bulkheads, have 42-inch cabinets going straight up, and this whole thing, a whole long run of cabinets. So we'll do sink, stove, refrigerator, and then we'll knock this wall here down between the kitchen and the dining room and have an island right in the middle. And actually, you know what? I take that back. We'll do stove with over the stove microwave, refrigerator, and a sink and the island here in the middle. So we have an island, nice wide island with the sink right here in the middle.
Now, what kind of refrigerator are you leaning towards?
Side by side, stainless steel.
Oh, that would look nice, yeah.
Yep, look really nice. And have the cabinets that go around it. So it's gonna be a cabinet on this side of the refrigerator. Like it's gonna look custom because we'll have the cabinets that go around the refrigerator. So like the refrigerator is actually built in.
So folks that's new to investing, where would you get this 4-piece kitchen set from?
Best Buy.
Best Buy, okay.
Best Buy, local Best Buy or store. Yep.
Best Buy online.
Ooh, got a bathroom.
All right.
Just a toilet. So that's not gonna fly because you need a toilet plus a sink. What we could do is turn the toilet around, and add a sink here. But let's look around. See,
Okay.
this might be talking a little too prematurely. Let's see if there's any other space to move this bathroom.
Okay. And now you said we're gonna need to have a toilet and a sink.
Yeah, you don't want to have just a flush. You need a toilet and a sink to have a full bathroom.
That'll be a little dirty, I guess.
Yeah.
Folks can't wash their hands.
So now we have options. So it's nice because this house was listed as 2 bathrooms, 2.5 baths. But they're counting that as a half bath, and that's just a toilet.
Okay.
What we could do is we could skip the bathroom altogether, but then that takes us down to only 2 bathrooms. I mean, you normally like to add bathrooms. You don't want to take bathrooms away.
Okay.
So we could get rid of that bathroom altogether. Or what I'm thinking is keep with that idea of having the refrigerator, the stove, the island in the middle.
Okay.
We could put a bathroom here, right about here. So if we want to keep the half bath, because most houses neighborhood do have half baths, we could put a half bath right about here. So it separates the living room area, because it's a large, huge living room. So we have a little bit of room to play with. You can put a half bath right about here or so.
Okay.
That way you'll still have a nice sized dining room area. You'll still have a nice sized living, and we don't get rid of the bathroom. So basically relocate the bathroom.
Okay. So you probably knocked down this wall right here.
Yeah, all this goes.
Okay.
All this goes. And have one big open area.
Yeah, it's enough space to do that. It's a nice amount of space here. Especially if you get rid of that bathroom over there.
Uh-huh. right, let's go down. I like to go down first.
All right, going down. Any lights in this one?
Nope.
All right.
A little tight down here. All right, so I see a little bit of mold,
Yep.
which we know is not the end of the world. Got another bathroom in there.
All right.
Carpet's wet.
Oh yeah. Another bathroom.
You see over here, the floor.
Okay, full bath.
Another bedroom. Heating system. So I'm thinking.
Yep, some mold. On the
Right now they
basement.
have it separated as a bedroom, 2 bedrooms. But there's no real family room area.
Yeah.
So at a minimum, we're gonna knock this front bedroom down,
Okay.
and open that up to make it more of a family room area.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll knock this bedroom area down.
Perfect.
Actually, you know what? Let's reverse it because the bathroom's in there. Keep that as a bedroom, and we'll knock this bedroom down.
That's more like it. Yeah. We
Yep.
knock this down.
So now we have the whole back of the basement will be nice open family room area.
Okay. And probably frame all this in right here.
Frame it out, yeah.
Have washer, dryer.
Wash and dryer. Yep.
Makes
Be
sense.
really
Yeah.
nice. So this whole area over here will be framed in. Washer, dryer, furnace. This whole area over here will be wide open family room area. And we'll put carpet on the floor.
It will look really nice.
Really nice.
Is there a sump pump in this one?
I'm looking forward to.
Let's see.
I don't see one. If there's not one, since we do see there's a lot of signs of moisture, we can easily add one in. The easiest way to do it, the best way to do it if we can, so we can maintain as much space as possible for our family room, would be to put the sump pump behind this water heater
Yeah, that'd be
and
excellent.
drain it out that way. So that'd be the best bet to do it.
Okay. Perfect. And that should solve the water issue here in the basement.
Yep. So we'll have a family room area all over here.
Mm-hmm.
Bedroom still here, but with its own bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go upstairs see how.
So does this mold scare you away at all?
Not at all. I mean, you have to bring in a mold remediation specialist,
Okay.
but it's minor. I mean, I've seen it a lot worse. I've seen it where mold is as tall as I am in the house. That mold is still pretty low. Cut it out. Treat the studs behind it. It's no big deal.
Yeah, we actually saw that recently in the moldy house.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's mold so much you can't really go down there. You smell it smells so bad.
Okay. Pretty straightforward.
All right.
Normal bedrooms with closets. So, of course, bringing our 6-panel doors, new windows, patch the ceiling. It's a hairline crack, no big deal. It's minor settling. Outlets. I only see one outlet in the whole room, and by code in this general area, you need them every 8 feet or so. So the best way to do it is you put an outlet on this wall, put an outlet on this wall. We're good to go.
And a licensed electrician can get that done very
Yeah,
easily.
that's for you. Yep.
Okay.
Same thing in here. We had one outlet there. So it'd be nice to put another outlet on this wall. And that's it. Paint, new windows, new doors. Really straightforward.
Very straightforward.
Pretty easy.
So, question for you.
Uh-huh.
Would you throw carpet down or would you put wood floors? I know your answer. I know you like carpet upstairs.
I like carpet in the bedrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would do carpet. Even though the floors look nice, I would do carpet in the bedrooms.
All right, had to ask that for anyone that's wondering. Even though I knew the answer.
Master bedroom. So I see they built out the extra closet, which looks nice. So you have 2 closets in here. Pretty
All right,
straightforward.
2
Same
closets.
paint, windows, closet doors, light fixtures. I mean, so far this upstairs area is a pretty simple area. Let's look at the bathroom. Bathroom. Typical bathroom. I would actually remove. I would make this a little bit bigger. So this is the standard tub. I would actually throw in, since this is the main bathroom, I would throw in a jacuzzi style tub here.
We got space
Or
for
a
it?
soaking tub. Something a little fancy since this is the main bathroom in the house.
Okay.
And it's nice.
Let's see, because there's some pipes running right there.
Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, you're right. So that looks like it's from the sink. Let's see here.
Yeah, we can always reroute the plumbing, I'm sure, if needed.
Easily.
So we gotta weigh it. Is it worth having that jacuzzi tub versus is it worth moving that
Moving the pipes.
moving the pipes?
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah. Nice bathroom.
But you know what I would also think about doing?
What's that?
Now I'm keep it as is. Because this is kind of tight in here. One thing we did at the other house was, most folks don't like, most folks don't want a window in their tub. What you could do is throw the tub long ways this way, right? Get rid of this closet and put the toilet in the sink here. The bathroom will feel a lot bigger. Because right now it's kind of tight to get through here.
Yeah.
So
We actually did that at another house before.
yeah. I don't know. It depends on what your budget's looking like and what your interest is. You can just keep it as is, swap everything out. If you want to get funky with it, redo the tub here, move the toilet over here, put the vanity right here when you first walk in. But depending on how far you want to go.
Okay. Now, one question. This right here is kind of bothering me.
But yeah, they just didn't recess it into the wall. That's pretty simple.
Is it worth recessing to you?
100%. Yeah, this looks bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
100%. Recess that into the wall. That'd be pretty simple.
Yeah. And then the roof. Is that indications of some roof issues?
Yeah, it's hanging. So definitely get into the roof. I mean, that's the only place I see in the house, in this whole upstairs, that had a roof issue. So I'm assuming it's from prior damage. They just didn't patch it up correctly. But we can definitely take a look at that, get into the roof.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty straightforward. I mean,
Yeah.
the basement, again, it's another house where there's mold in the basement, so you gotta do some work down there. Upstairs is patch and paint all the walls, replace the doors. Upstairs is easy. Upstairs is super easy.
So,
Main level, we're gonna take out that wall in the kitchen.
okay.
So right now, if we were standing here now, everything here will be completely gone. Completely gone. You'll see straight into the kitchen dining room area.
That would look very nice.
So you want to put the bathroom, the half bath or so in this area, which would actually be a nice separation from the front and the back. So put a half bath right here.
Okay.
And we'll still have 2.5 baths.
Now, another question for you. I know a couple times we've actually taken these windows out, just put regular windows in. Would you recommend that?
No. In this area, having a bay window looks nice. Almost every end of group house around here has one. And it looks nice.
Okay, so you say don't go cheap.
Nah, I keep it as is. Plus, this isn't bad. I mean, this window is just wood here.
Okay.
And then it's 1, 2, 3 windows, like any other window. Now, the one you're talking about, the other house we went to where it was like a bow window and it was about 6 different windows all connected. But here, this is just 3 regular everyday windows.
Gotcha. Now, looking towards the sales part. After the house is all fixed up, is there something fancy we can do? Make this a little sitting area or something? What's your thoughts?
You could do sitting area. Personally, when we go to stage it, I would just probably put like a vase here or something simple like that. But if you want to put like pillows, only problem is if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. So you have to actually get a custom-made window seat for here to show people that it could be a window seat.
Well, that sounds like money.
That sounds like money.
This is an
Personally, I would
affordable
just put like a
project.
vase right there and keep it moving.
Okay.
And I wouldn't put any blinds to the window either. So I keep all the windows brand new, completely wide open.
Okay, so based off of the changes that you want in the kitchen, the mold in the basement, updating the fixtures, the drywall, carpentry work, the carpet, based off everything we've seen so far in this house, if you had to get an estimate on how much it would cost, a decent licensed general contractor, how much would you think?
Electrical work, adding the bathroom, redirect a couple things, $50,000.
That's fair. That's fair.
$50,000 and about, realistically, the basement and the bathrooms, windows, 4 weeks worth of work.
Okay, and I know we haven't run the numbers for this one yet, but off the top of your head, could this be a profitable deal?
Yeah, it could be profitable.
Okay, you thinking what? 20, 25,000 profit?
Think about $30,000 profit.
Not bad for 4 weeks of work.
Not bad. And it's very straightforward. I mean, it's a cookie cutter house, cookie cutter neighborhood.